Hello students, today we will study about the Union Legislature. We saw in the last chapter that India has multiple levels of government. In class 6, we learned about local government, and in class 7, we learned about the state governments. This year, we will learn about the union or central government. The union government, like the state governments, consists of three organs: the executive, the legislature, and the judiciary. And in this chapter, we will look at the union legislature, also known as the parliament. In India, the Indian parliament is also known with the word Sansad. Students, you know that in India we have bicameral system. It means that bicameral legislature is composed of the President of India and the two houses, the Rajya Sabha, Council of States, and the Lok Sabha, House of the People. Those elected or nominated by the President to either House of the Parliament are referred to as Member of Parliament or MPs. For every state, there is a legislature which consists of a governor and either one or two houses. Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, and Uttar Pradesh have bicameral legislatures, with the remaining states having a unicameral one. So, union government comprises of legislature, executive, and judiciary. In legislature, we have President, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. And the responsibility is to make the laws, pass the laws, and get it signed by the President. Executive consists of President, Vice President, Prime Minister, and Council of Ministers. And the responsibility is to pass the laws made by the legislature. Judiciary comprises of Supreme Court of India, and the responsibility of Supreme Court is to solve conflicts between executive and legislature, other public related matters or conflicts. Can you recognize this person in the picture? Yes, he is no other than the President of India, Ram Nath Kovind. And this person is Pranab Mukherjee. He was the President of India before Ram Nath Kovind. This is a list of presidents of India. In 1950 to 1962, Rajendra Prasad, he was the first president of India. Then from 62 to 67, Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. Then from 1967 to 1969, Zakir Hussain was the president. Then in 1969 to 1974, V.V. Giri was the president. In 1974 to 1977, Faruquddin Ali Ahmed was the President of India. Then in 1977 to 1982, Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy was the President. Jail Singh was the President in the year 82 to 1987. Ramaswamy Venkataraman, he was the President in 1987 to 1992. Shankar Dayal Sharma was the President from 1992 to 1997. K.R. Narayanan, He was a president in the year 1997 to 2002. Then APJ Abdul Kalam, he was a president of India from 2002 to 2007. Then Pratibha Patil was the first woman president of India in 2007 to 2012. Pranab Mukherjee was a president from 2012 to 2017. And you all know that Ramnath Kovind is the present President of India. These are the Vice Presidents of India from 1952 to 2017 till today. And the present Vice President of India is M. Venkaiah Naidu. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India at present. This is a list of Prime Minister of India from 1947 till today. So first Prime Minister of India was Jawaharlal Nehru, then Gulzari Lal Nanda, then Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pratap Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Indra Kumar Gujral, Manmohan Singh, and the current Prime Minister is Narendra Das Modi. All the members of Parliament, MPs, are the Union Councils of Ministers. They are also known as Cabinet Ministers. The Council of Ministers comprises ministers who are members of Cabinet, ministers of state independent charge, ministers of state and deputy ministers. The main function of the Council of Ministers is to aid and advise the President. The Council of Ministers determines the legislative program of the Union and uses its initiative in the introduction and passage of the government legislature. In judiciary comes the court, and the highest court of appeal in a country is the Supreme Court. Thank you, students, for watching the video.